Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to create a lab for checkpoint firewall. We will create checkpoint as a management server. Then let's start. You need to create AWS account first, and this checkpoint installation having some charges. We need to take image from checkpoint marketplace, AWS marketplace. We are going to install R81.10. We'll take this AMI. By default it will select the instance type. They took M5 X large. This is not free instance. Free instance are not supportable for this AMI, as we have a gaia OS big file, and it required big processing. So after C5 large only supportable, so it automatically selected M5X large as an instance type. We can select as per our requirement. Like suppose we have lot of load on the management server. In that case we can go for C5X large, C512X large. This is lab purpose, so I am taking M5X large, having 4 CPU core and 16 GB RAM. We need to select keep here in order to log in first from the CLI. I will create a new keep here. I will give name as an instance name. This keep here we can download once, so please keep this key on your safe location. There are two types of key format: private key format. One is .pim and .ppk. .ppk is for putty. If we are going to access this instance from the putty, then in that case we can download this ppk. If you want if you want this instance to be accessed from the shell or open SSH tool. In that case we required pim. We are going to access from putty, so I am taking ppk. We can convert from this ppk to pim and pim to ppk with the putty chain and different tool, but it's good to take whatever required format from here only. So it will create keep here and it will get downloaded. We need to make this auto assign public IP enable. If it is disabled, then he will not give the IP to this instance, and we will not able to access from the internet. Now we can use existing security group, or we can create new security group. Here we are going to create new security group, and automatically as per AMI it's creating the security group, and it's allowing the whatever the port and whatever the access he required, whatever the port and whatever the protocol he required, he automatically creating as per the AMI. So I'm keeping it as a default. So yeah, next we are good to launch instance. It will take some time. Now instance state is in initializing. Status check. Once it 2x2 check is okay, then this instance installation is will be completed. So meanwhile what we'll do, we'll copy the downloaded private key into our safe location, and we'll use that file in putty. I will create one folder, AWS lab, and just downloaded that ppk. I will copy that, show in folder. I'll copy and I will put it in we need putty to access this instance. I think I don't have putty, I need to download it. Let's download putty. It's downloaded. Still our instance is in initializing state. I downloaded this putty.exe file so that I can run directly, and we are good with the putty configuration. So now I need to I need to see if our instance is ready. Yeah, instance 2x2 check is passed, so instance we can download to the we can log in into this instance. This is public IP. Yep, it's not giving permission. We need to create password for admin from the CLI. So for that purpose, we'll copy the public IP and we'll put here. We need to use private key. Yeah, see here we are in instance admin. Expert, we need to set expert password. Yeah. Now we need to create password for admin. So to create password for admin, set user, first we'll see all user show users. See, admin user is there. Set user admin password. Yeah, we can create another users also here. To create that user, we need to create directory in the home location. Let's see where we are now. Where, yeah, to create the home directory, we need to go in export mode. As this is in glitch mode, we need to go in export mode. Export. We are in admin, we need to go in home. We need to create directory. I am creating user Mahesh. I am keeping all small. This user is created. User directory is created. Now we need to give command add user Mahesh UID 04 home directory home. Yeah, once we create directory, we need to go in, say, like a glitch mode. So yeah, now we can run that command add user Mahesh UID. what it's saying. Now we created user, but we still need to set password, and we need to give the permissions. Yeah, set user Mahesh password admin 3. And we need to give permission also. RPA user Mahesh roles admin role. Yeah, show users. See, we can see admin and Mahesh, both users. Now we can log in. Admin, admin. Yeah, now first time wizard is open, we need to configure it. We are going to install the R81.10 configuration, so we'll keep as same. If suppose we want to install it from cloud, or we have image in USB drive, then we can select that option also. We can take a snapshot. This I will keep as it is. These are the private IPs which that instance got in AWS. Server. Yeah, we will keep this as a management, so I am unticking security management. And also we don't want this as a multi-domain server, so we are highlighting this upper button. Primary, we will keep as primary. Okay, I'll taking this. Administrator, any IP. Here this is asking like who will be able to access the GUI client. We'll keep as any IP. Finish. This will take 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm pausing video for 10 to 15 minutes. First time wizard completed. We can see pop-up configuration completed successfully. Smart console we need in order to access management. We need smart console. So I'm downloading from the maintenance and download smart console option. Smart console exe file downloaded. Smart console installation is completed. We can launch smart console. Here we need to give username. Here we need to give public IP of our management server. Here we have different option to login. One is read only mode. In that mode, if suppose you have access of write access also, then also it will not allow you edit. So if we are checking the policies only, in that case we can go with the read only. And this demo mode show all the option which are available in the smart console. as this is first time login, so it is taking time. Yeah. See, our smart console is ready. On first login, it will show the whatever option available, whatever new feature available in 81.10 R81.10. See, our management is ready. We can add here gateways by creating gateways. That will do in next lab. And this is for gateways. We can create clusters, standby single gateways. Then we have second option here, that is security policies. Here we can create access policies, and currently we only have the deny policy, that is cleanup rule. Then we can create NAT policies, and here we have threat prevention. In threat prevention, we have threat prevention policy. As per our blade activated, we can create different policies like IPS blade, antivirus. Then that all policy we can create one shape profile also, and in that profile we can create the policy that we'll see in next lab, upcoming labs. For this, what we learned in this lab, we created we installed R81.10 on the AWS instance. Then we did the first time wizard, and we log in on that instance via the putty, and we created user. We completed the first time wizard, and we downloaded the smart console, and we logged into smart console with the admin user, and we check where we have different options available on the smart console, like gateways, servers, where we can create security policies, where we can create net policies. And next we can see logs here. My system has less RAM, due to that it is taking it load. Here we can see logs, like a traffic log in log section, and we can see audit log, like changes done into the policies, who published, who installed, that we can see here. And I'll select log view. Here we can see class 24 traffic. We can do custom timeline, and here we can select source. Suppose we want source as a 10.10.10.10 IP, I'm taking example, and destination 5.5.5, and we want to see the traffic for the port 80 443. and we want to see action as allow, accept. Then it will show all the traffic related with this filter. Yeah, that's it for this lab. uh, Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.